you saw our last video where we said you guys get to choose what we do on a Sunday. And we chose baking it. And if you choose like gaming or dancing or cooking, that was so good of you. But we choose to do the baking instead of the cooking. And we thought that some of our videos were kind of boring, so that's why we decided to name the things that we can do on Sunday.
So what we're gonna bake?
So I have 6.
We're gonna bake some cupcakes.
Yes.
Okay, so you've got a cupcake
what's
mix.
in here?
That's the mix. How many eggs
6.
should you? Is it 6 cupcakes?
Yeah, that says so I have 6.
And
So
then
that's 1, 2, 3. 2, 4, 6. And
what?
suitable for vegetarians.
Is it suitable for vegetarians?
It's right there.
Okay, so how many eggs?
4.
Did you say 4 eggs? What's it says on the
Ingredient, icing, sugar, wheat.
No, you want instruction, darling.
Instruction.
Instruction.
No, it's right. A.
Okay. Adult supervision recommended. So if you look there, yeah, and we need method oven 6 6 fairy cakes. You will need how many eggs?
1.
Okay, 1 medium eggs, 15 ml semi-skim milk, 80 grams of unsalted butter, hastening sugar for dusting the cakes or muffin tray. Okay, we're gonna preheat the oven. Could you listen? We're gonna preheat the oven for to 180 degrees, or if it's fan like the one we're using, it's 160 degrees. Place the fairy cake case in the cupcake muffin tray. Okay, so we are going to mix them up. A matter of fact, you are going to mix them up. I said I will help you. Could you go get the mixing bowl under there, please?
I know what I'm doing.
Get that open, sweetie. You want me to help you?
No.
Can you do it yourself?
Yes.
Yeah? I think we should get the eggs first.
No.
Yeah. Get the eggs in the bowl. It's only 1 egg anyway, so it's not even eggs. And then oh, careful. It's gonna have a kit in there, so you're gonna have all the fairy cake mix.
Oh, it's in hearts.
Cups.
That's so cute.
Take them up.
Why are
Take the other one up.
Why are there only 1?
It's not 1, it's 6 in there, sweetie. They're just stuck together.
Oh.
Okay.
That's why it's called a kit. Where's my eggs?
Wait, 1 egg. You remember how I tell you to crack the egg?
Do that.
Yeah, but don't smash it too hard. Hit it.
Is that it?
Yeah, but you don't want too much shell in there.
You ruined it.
Okay, we might have to take that shell out.
I see a shell. I see this shell as well. We cannot eat shells.
Unless you're gonna have crunchy bits in your cake.
I see some more shells. Look at them.
Okay, we're gonna get the shells out.
I'm not. 50 millimeter centimeters. Yeah.
So we're gonna need some
milk.
skim milk, but we're gonna use oat milk instead.
I wonder what that's gonna taste like. What is this?
So we need a.
Dad.
Yeah.
It came with the icing.
Oh wow! It did, didn't it? We didn't have to buy anything. Oh, this is solid, Ashley. Oh, it could work anyway. We can use it. That's icing for it.
Then we're gonna do the pink.
But you're hoping they can use a pink one.
Yes.
You open it already. Okay, so we need 15 ml of semi-skim milk. 15 millimeters with that. So you see, that's millimeter there.
15. I see it right there, so I'm gonna go to there.
No, sweetie, that's ounce over that side.
What?
15 won't be a lot. Okay? 15 won't be a lot.
That the egg is kind of ruining it.
About that.
What? I'm pouring it in.
Pour it in then.
Now can I mix it?
And mix it. What else it says on the box? It says we need 80 grams of unsalted butter.
So do I mix?
Here, go and mix it.
Yes.
Okay.
That looks like melted butter. I don't want to see any yellow. Get out. I don't want to see any yellow.
And we need to get some butter in there, sweetie. So instead of butter, we're going to use oil because we'll have to still get the butter melted. Mix it in so it's all take. Keep mixing, sweetie. And what we're going to do now is get the cake mix. This can go in the sink. Wash that. So we're going to get the cake mix.
Where's your chef hat?
This is it. Where's your chef hat?
I don't have a chef hat.
That's the cake mix. We're
Open
gonna.
it.
Where's the scissors? Cut it there. And
The end there.
so you cut it there. Move your fingers. Don't put your fingers there. Cut it there. Hold it there. Yeah. There you go. Okay. Pour that in there. You want me to mix while you're pouring?
No.
Okay, I'll help you. Yeah. There you go.
The whole mountain of powder now.
Mix them together.
Hey, this one's not that heavy.
No, because it's not a lot.
Get all of it.
Keep mixing, sweetie.
It smells so nice. Dad, make sure you turn on the comments. They can say, wow, what amazing cupcakes.
I don't know what's going to happen. To me, it looks like I overdid it. It looks like it's too runny. It's not your fault. I think I put too much oil in there instead of stuff. But anyway, let's experiment. It's a bit runny. The butter is a bit runny.
Keep mixing, it won't be running for long.
Yeah.
Get stiff.
What you need to do, sweetheart, you need to get the cupcake tray. Not that, the tray under the cupboard in there. Yeah. Yes.
Where's the tray?
It looks like a cupcake. Sorry, sweetie.
Where?
Oh.
That only 6 cakes and
noisy.
You're noisy.
Okay, there we go.
Do not be sick.
Put your
I hate
cupcake.
this.
It's a bit runny, sweetie. I think I spoiled it. It's not your fault. It's Daddy's fault.
It's Charles' fault. No, I'm joking.
Stop blaming your brother. He's not even nearby here.
No, I'm not blaming your brother. You always blame Tara.
I didn't blame him. I'm not blaming him.
You and Mama always angry at her like, Tara, why did you do that? That.
What do you mean? That's how we sound.
I don't speak Jamaican. I'm British like the Queen.
Shut up. You say you don't speak Jamaican, you're British like this. You're a little something else, you.
No, it's supposed to be.
Take them out and put them in there.
One.
Is it a heart shape? Shouldn't. So what's going to happen? Because these are not heart shape stuff. Unless we're going to just pour it in there itself.
No.
Okay then.
No, because they'll get stuck.
Okay, put them in there then.
Should we just like get our old like the
Nah.
old ones?
Do we got old ones? Do we got others in there? Is full up of stuff, Ashley. Just let's use what we forgot. Get up. Let's use what we forgot. It can't be asked looking for those now. When we put the butter in there, it will
Just like round it.
yeah, you can round it.
Did it. What?
I need to eat my dinner. I'm getting hungry now.
Dude.
Cause I'm videoing you. Okay, put it in.
It's still
Yeah, just put it in there. When we put the butter in there, it will
sick.
yeah. So anyway, I'm gonna pause here for now. The next time you'll see the cupcakes and see what becomes of them. Okay? You wanna say anything to your people who's watching?
Bye.